So Anthony, we're here on your stand, the Samchully stand, and this is the whole spindle assembly made by Samchully. So maybe you can talk us through some of the features and benefits of your products.
Sure. Well, we make from the cylinder end to the chuck end, everything between, making the connection and make your system more efficient.
So what makes, if we start with the chuck, there's obviously a lot in the marketplace.
Yes.
Why Samchully?
Well, we're getting on a lot of OEM brand machines, so makes an easy transition, good quality, good precision, and good support.
Yeah, support is often overlooked, isn't it? But if I can go on the quality,
Sure.
what do you mean by quality? You were talking ovality, we're talking rigidity.
Very much rigidity, great material we use. We control everything in-house. We build everything ourselves in-house, so we're able to control how good that product is, you know?
And in the UK, you're looked after by Thame Workholding. Do they help you? Are they a good distributor?
Very much, very much. Thame is able to do custom work as well, able to apply it to our products and customize everybody locally in their region. So Thame Workholding works great with us, and we've been working with them for years.